pray for us. Tonight we have also chosen crime as our new community problem that we will take action on. Now let me call your attention to some events that we have ahead of us. You please come to page number 12 of your agenda packet. The first event is the research kick-off on December 3rd, 2009. Registration begins at 6:45 p.m. while the meeting will be called to order at 7 p.m. The location is St. John United Methodist Church. The address is in your agenda packet. The purpose is to start research on our new community problem and also to continue to follow up on affordable rental housing. Those interested in participating in research, please plan to attend. I cannot emphasize it enough to encourage everybody to stand up and be part of it. The next is the rally, which will take place on Thursday, March 18, 2010. This is the next time this group right here will gather. And the purpose is to hear the results of the research and to prepare ourselves for the action. The biggest event of the year is our Nehemiah Action, which will take place on Thursday, April the 22nd, 2010. It is our hope that you will begin to talk to friends, neighbors, people from your congregations, even your enemies. Bring everybody to the action. We expect that at least 2,000 people will be in attendance. If we can do this, we will win justice for Broward County. Is that right? Yes. Beyond the events already mentioned, I want to talk to you a little bit about a long-term vision. Let me be clear. We have already won some victories. We are still going to win some more victories this coming year. We won a very big victory in the area of unemployment this year. But guess what? Unemployment in Broward County is still over 10%. In the area where my church is located, it is well over 13%. What if we could reduce unemployment to 3% across the county? Would that be exciting to you? Yeah. I believe Broward County could be a place where all who want to live in a house will find an affordable house to buy or to rent. Do you believe that as well? Yes. Crime will be reduced to so low in Broward County that all our citizens will feel safe in their neighborhoods. Is that possible? Yes. Relationship between police and citizens in Broward County could be improved so much that racial profiling and unwarranted intimidation of innocent citizens will be a thing of the past. Do you agree with me? Yes. If we are going to win all these big victories, we need more power. Our strength is in our numbers. We need a lot more people in our Nehemiah Action. That is why DOT organization is asking all affiliate organizations like ours to develop what is called a big, hairy, audacious goal for 2015. It is called BHEAD. If you look into your agenda packet, page number 11, you will find details about BHEAD there. But let me quickly run through a few things with you. A BHEAD, big, hairy, audacious goal, is not a casual goal. It is not a planning tool that changes from year to year in the face of changing circumstances. A big, hairy, audacious goal is a particularly powerful mechanism designed to stimulate progress. It should fall well outside of our comfort zone its own right, stimulating progress, even with turnover in leadership. So the DOT network has adopted a big, hairy, audacious goal that as a network, we want to build the capacity of the organizations in DOT to turn out a total of 75,000 people to our neighborhood actions across the network in 2015. Now, Board Justice Executive Committee met and is recommending that Board Justice also develop a big, hairy, audacious goal, and that these be discussed in each of our congregations. The Executive Committee would like to know what the congregations think about this. We do not want a top-down process. We want to know what you want to see accomplished. However, to give you some guidance, the Executive Committee wants to recommend that we, that is Board Justice, do in fact set a bid, and that our big, hairy, audacious goal should be to turn out between 5,000 and 6,000 people by 2015. I believe this is possible. Do you believe so? Yes. When Moses set out spies to preview the promised land, the pessimists among them came back and said, you know what, this is not possible because there are giants there. And the optimists came back and said, yes, we saw the giants, but in spite of the giants, yes, we are able to take the land. Board Justice, we are not called upon to do easy things. We are not called to do the convenient thing. We are called to do the right